It's day 9 and we just got here this morning, right now. Just kidding.
Such a liar. We've been here all day.
Yeah, we didn't do an intro video, but we started off by meeting with the electricians. They got started and pretty much finished up with roughing and relocating like all our switches and outlets and doing all that stuff. Added a bunch of like their flush mount can lights and fixtures and stuff, and got everything squared off and centered with each room. And then we got to work on the ceiling and doing some sheetrock work, and that's pretty much all we did today. So we're gonna come back tomorrow for day 10, and we gotta demo the downstairs ceiling for the plumber, and then get this place cleaned back up, and then if we have time and energy, we'll probably do more sheetrock. So yeah, we'll just do a walkthrough really quick of all the electrical work and then what we got done today. Boo!
Boo!
So we got, obviously, all these electrical fixtures removed, got the outlets moved up so we don't have to cut out any weird baseboard stuff, because that's how they did it in the old days for some reason. So we got our ceiling up, and then we got our new outlets in for the kitchen. There's our pantry. There's outlets behind the sheetrock. We just set it all there. So our ceiling's in and done. All our wiring is shoved in. So, and we got wires ran in here. Little light there. Little switch for that light. Couple lights in here. Switch. And then we just did 2 light fixtures in the closet. 2 little can lights or flush mount lights for the shower. And then centered this guy for the vanity. New switches and everything. Centered our light fixture. And yeah, that's pretty much got quite a bit done today. So electrical's done. Now we're just waiting on plumbing so we can get everything buttoned back up. Or at least start to. So yeah. Ready to go?
Yep.
Good job.